I'm here today with Chris Tagoo from Alpine, and we're going to be talking about a new product, the iLX F259. Chris, tell us a little bit about this piece.
Absolutely. So, iLX 259. Last year we came out with the product Halo9, the iLX F309.
That's right, I remember that.
Groundbreaking product, floating display, 9-inch, really floats above that dash. Great fit and finish for pretty much any vehicle since it has that single din chassis back there.
Right. So it mirrors a lot of OEM looking units now, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, definitely. So there's a lot of cars out there today with this type of design. So it's really not an unfamiliar look to a lot of people, that premium feel in the car. So we're modernizing the dash, just like we said last year. We're modernizing the dash, modernizing the technology in your vehicle.
Right. So there are a lot of new features that you can get into your vehicle as well, right? So
exactly.
Let's talk about some of those.
We have the 259 and we have the 309. So we have two Halo 9s this year. The 259 actually has a new customizable UI. So this UI actually has 3 different dashboards that you can modify and custom make yourself. It's all based on widgets. So if I were to press and hold a particular widget, I can look through the 22 different widgets and customize it myself. So if I want easy access to Carplay and Android Auto, I can throw that in there. If I want easy access to my photos on a thumb drive, or if I want easy access to Bluetooth, I can make sure that that one, desktop has all that information that I want.
Really nice. Now, I saw earlier you were playing with this and you had actually updated the background screen to this. So how does that work?
So there's actually a widget for photos, and what you can actually do is you touch the photos screen and it accesses the thumb drive with your own personal images on there, if you've loaded it with that, of course. So you can go through, find a picture you want, and select it as the background.
Right. So does it have to be any format, or it could be a picture I took with my phone?
Yeah. Basically, I mean, it reads JPEGs, PNGs, any of the files that you normally would use for the background, it will do. Also, when you load that background image, you can actually crop it with the system itself, so you're not having to worry about taking the exact
aspect ratio?
Yeah, the exact aspect ratio. You don't have to worry about any of that.
Right. Very cool. Yeah. Very cool. So, again, just like last year when we talked about the F309, we talked about Alpine and that great sound.
Of course.
So, I'm assuming that this has that as well.
Absolutely. So, one big part of Alpine is sound, right? And every product that we create, we want to make sure you have that legendary Alpine experience when you're listening to the music. So all of that is in this as well. So we have the 4-volt pre-outs, the tuning capabilities just like we've had in the past, and really to dial in the great sound of Alpine in your car.
Yeah, so this is a great system building tool,
absolutely,
right?
Yeah.
Man, that sounds great, and it looks fantastic as well. So there you have it.